Ultramobile makes international calls easy and affordable. First, understand the basics. You'll use the 0111 dialing prefix, the standard for international calls from the US. Then dial the country code, followed by the area code if needed, and the local number. For example, to call the UK, dial 011 44 XXXX. Next, you'll need International Long Distance ILD credit, which isn't included in the base plans. Purchase ILD credit through the Ultramobile app in $5, $10, or $20 increments. Finally, be mindful of rates, which vary by destination, ranging from $0.10 to $3 per minute. Check the Ultramobile app for specific rates to your desired country. You can enable international calling via the app or customer service if it's not already active. Remember to disable Wi-Fi calling for cellular use. Ultramobile uses ILD credits to pay for international calls. These credits are deducted from your balance based on call duration and destination. Calls are billed per minute or per call, depending on your plan. Per minute billing deducts credits based on call length, while per call billing charges a flat rate regardless of duration. Peak rates apply during U.S. business hours from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, with potentially discounted off-peak rates outside these hours. Unlimited plans often include a set number of ILD minutes, typically 100 to 200 minutes per month at no extra cost. International communication is shifting toward digital solutions like WhatsApp or FaceTime, offering free or low-cost alternatives to traditional calling. Ultramobile is evolving with potential VoIP minute bundles and unlimited international data. Rates have been declining due to competition and technology advancements. Stay updated with the Ultramobile app for the latest rates and plan options.